A day in my life as a work from home mom, solo parent edition. Good day everyone! Here's another glimpse of my day wrapped in a 3-minute vlog. Today is Sunday and pinagplanuhan naming magkakapatid na magbonding at manguha ng sea urchin. Sumama pa sa amin si Cookie, kay palakuyog man yan. Actually, binili lang namin to pero yung mga kapatid ko na ang nag-open at bakit nga ba mas masarap kumain ng sea urchin kapag nasa dagat? Kaya nagdala kami ng rice at dito na kumain. O ayan, nagagapuhan pa kayo sa kapatid ko. Magdalawang isip na kayo kay tagsara maligo yan kay makagabok kuno sa lawas. Naabutan na nga kami ng high tide at napabebe na ang aming Cookie sa mama niya, Hagoy, para talagang hindi 35 kilos. We spent the afternoon bonding dito sa bahay and then just like that, nagsiuwian na rin kaming mga magkakapatid back to the city. The next day, walang pasok si Jeff at tinulungan niya ako maghanda ng agahan at nag-request siya ng steamed egg. Nagprito na rin ako ng bangus at hotdog and let's pretend hindi nasunog yan. May microwave lang namin ang egg at hinanda na ang aming almusal. Late na rin kami kumain ni Jeff kasi wala silang pasok ngayon and usually matagal talaga akong kumakain. After our brunch, I got ready to go to the gym at may nagtatanong nga sa akin kung how am I coping up with my breakup. Ilang months na rin ang dumaraan since my breakup and it's harder at first to adjust with the new setting of my life and to process all my emotions. Last July, I must admit I started online dating, met someone in Siargao and realized that I wasn't really ready yet to jump into a new relationship and now we remained as friends. But I thought I was in a rush. After all, it was my decision to end the relationship so I need time to think. So to answer the question, at this point in my life, I handled it by keeping myself busy. Ayokong magkaroon ako ng time para magmukmok at malungkot sa bagay na ako naman ang nagpasya. May nabasa nga akong post which I agreed that depression cannot hit a moving target. So keep moving. Pick a hobby, call a friend, chase that dream. Make it harder for the weight of darkness to pin you down. You will eventually learn to live the day without the person you once thought you would spend a lifetime with. Pagka-uwi ko nga from the gym, ayan nakatulog na ang aking chikiting at Cookie greeted me. Ang sarap talaga kapag may aso sa bahay. It didn't feel so lonely dahil mayroon akong dalawang anak dito. Minsan ang kukulit pa ng mga yan at naglalaro dito, naghahabulan at saka nag-aagawan ng mga laruan. After that, nagload lang ako ng laundry while I start getting ready. It's always a never-ending routine na maglinis dito sa bahay. Maglaba, mamalansya, ihatid ang anak sa school, magtrabaho. Minsan naisip ko rin paano ko nakakayanan lahat. The past few months, I also felt that I didn't have the same drive to edit and upload videos like I used to. So I took a break and traveled often so I can go ahead and start again. By the way, sa curious kung paano sinatap itong induction ko, ganito lang siya. May butas sa ilalim at dyan lang inilagay ang induction tapos may outlet na sa likod for the oven also. Nagluto lang ako ng dinner and tinry ko na itong nabili kong Ichiran ramen na instant noodles from Japan na may kasama ng sauce at spices. Just cooked it according to package instructions and masarap rin naman siya in fairness. Pinagbigyan ko na si Jeff kasi gusto daw niya ng fried chicken. After dinner, ayan, tinuloy ko na ang gawain ko magsampay sa mga nilabhan ko mga damit at hindi pa naubos yan. Tomorrow na yung next batch dahil hindi na kaya ng powers ko. I had to get ready to work and just made a Spanish latte today. Actually, paubos na rin talaga ang syrup ko kaya itong condensed milk na lang ang ginamit ko. Time check, it's still 7:52 PM. So may time pa ako para mag-night skincare routine. Baliktad na nga ang oras ko pero sanayan lang rin and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!